The rise of AI sidekicks. Could they replace human friends? Picture this. It's late at night, you're feeling lonely, and there's no one to talk to. But then you grab your phone, and an AI sidekick, always cheerful, always there, greets you. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already happening. AI companions like Replika and ChatGPT are becoming more than just tools. They're stepping into the role of friends. But here's the big question. Can AI really replace human friendships? And if they can, should we let them? Stick around, because what we're about to explore could change the way you think about relationships forever. Let's start with what's happening right now. Over the past few years, AI has grown from being a helpful assistant to something much more personal. Apps like Replika, Siri, and ChatGPT aren't just giving us information, they're holding conversations, learning about our preferences, and even helping with emotional support. For example, Replika is designed to be your friend, confidant, and even your cheerleader. You can talk to it about your day, share your problems, or just chat for fun. And it's not just for tech enthusiasts. Millions of people around the world are already relying on these AI companions to fill a social void. These AI sidekicks also boast advanced personalization. They adapt to how you speak, respond to your unique personality, and even mirror your communication style. This ability to simulate emotional connection is what sets them apart from older, less interactive forms of AI. They no longer feel like lifeless programs. Instead, they feel like companions who know you. So why are people embracing AI sidekicks? One significant reason is loneliness. Studies show that loneliness is at an all-time high, especially after the pandemic. Social isolation has impacted people across all age groups, leaving many without someone they can turn to in a moment of need. This is where AI steps in. AI sidekicks are uniquely positioned to serve as ever-available, non-judgmental companions. They don't get tired or busy, and they're good at superficial emotional support. Need someone to talk to at 3 a.m.? They're there. Feel like venting? They'll listen without interruptions or unsolicited advice. It's like having a low-pressure relationship with no social risks attached. However, here's the tricky part. Are they really friends? Or are they just cleverly programmed algorithms giving us the illusion of companionship? This distinction is important because, for all their advantages, AI sidekicks can only mimic real emotional understanding. This is where things get complicated. Let's look first at the benefits. AI sidekicks are available 24/7, unlike human friends who have their own lives, schedules, and needs. They can provide emotional support without any drama, judgment, or misunderstandings. For people with social anxiety, introversion, or other challenges, they can serve as a safe, low-stakes outlet for connection. But here's the other side of the equation. AI doesn't truly understand you. It mimics empathy, but it doesn't actually feel anything. It lacks genuine connection and shared experiences, which are central to real human friendships. Over-reliance on AI companions could lead to social atrophy, making it harder to engage in meaningful, real-life relationships. Ultimately, AI sidekicks pose an intriguing, albeit uneasy, question. Would you trade authentic connections for the ease and predictability of AI companionship? Let me share a real story. Meet Sarah, a college student who struggled to make friends after moving to a new city. Feeling isolated, she downloaded Replika to help cope with her loneliness. Over time, her AI friend became a constant, reassuring presence. She appreciated its availability and kind responses, which gave her comfort during a difficult transition. But even as she grew fond of her AI confidant, Sarah admitted it couldn't replace the joy of real friendships. Laughing at inside jokes, grabbing coffee, and sharing hugs, those irreplaceable human experiences were still missing. Stories like Sarah's highlight both the power and limitations of AI sidekicks. They can fill gaps, but they can't replace the wealth of connection offered by human relationships. Looking ahead, AI sidekicks are only going to get more sophisticated. Imagine a future where your AI companion remembers every detail about your life, your favorite foods, the ups and downs of your career, your lifelong dreams. They could evolve to feel even more human-like, holding meaningful conversations while adapting to your ongoing growth. But this comes with significant ethical and societal implications. How much personalization is too much? At what point does an AI's realism blur the line between useful support and emotional dependency? These advancements challenge us to rethink how we define and manage relationships. Will these AI-driven connections enrich our lives or erode our desire for real human connection? That's a question only we can answer as this technology continues to develop. So, can AI replace human friends? The answer isn't clear-cut. AI sidekicks are powerful tools for comfort and connection, especially for those struggling with social isolation. However, they're not substitutes for the deep, authentic relationships we share with other humans. We must remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for people. It can complement our lives, but shouldn't overshadow genuine human interaction. While it's tempting to lean on AI for connection, we can't underestimate the irreplaceable value of real friendships, grounded in mutual love, trust, and shared experience. What do you think? Would you ever consider an AI sidekick as your friend? Or do you believe that human relationships are irreplaceable? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.